Dale.
Okay, good afternoon. My name is Alejandra Maiden, and I will talk about sales represented in graphs. Now, I like to refer to the first graph. As you can see, this is a line graph, and it is measuring the U.S. smartphone sales share in percent from the second and the third quarter of this year. As you can see in this graph, you can see that Nokia, HTC, and Motorola have the same percent at the beginning in April, and then Nokia and HTC have a little bit of increase from April to May, and then Nokia have a little bit of decline in June, and then increase again like about 2% in July, and then have a decline into September. And then HTC is almost the same way that Nokia. It start with 2% and finish at the same percent, like about 2%. And Motorola is following the same way to the other two. And then LG, you can see that beginning at the almost 8% of the sales, and then have a stay constant from April to May, and then have an increase from May to June that could be like 13 or 12%, and then have a decline from June until September. And then you can see the U.S. sales from Apple. It start with 34%, and then have a big decline into April to August. The beginning with the 34% and decrease into 70%, and then have a huge increase from August to September. That is when they sell the iPhone 5S. And then Samsung, you can see in the graph that it start as the same as Apple, but then have from August to September have a big decline. I think that is for the iPhone 5S. As you can see, this is a pie chart. We can find here where does Apple revenue come from. Almost a half of the revenue come from the iPhone. Then it's following for the iPad with a 21%. Then with the laptops, then it's followed by the 6% with desktop and products that they sell. And then it's with iPod and iTunes and the other products that they sell. And this is the last one, is a column graph. Is the opening weekend iPhone sales through the years. In July of 2008, we can see that is the opening weekend of the iPhone 3G, and it stayed constant through July 2009, which the iPhone 3GS, and then they have a little bit of increase from July to June of 2010 for the iPhone 4, and they have a lot of increase for the iPhone 4S in October 2011, and for the iPhone 5 in 2012, and then have a huge increase for the iPhone 5S and 5C September of this year. As you can see, is this one, the iPhone 5 the opening weekend was with 5 million, and then it's almost the double for the iPhone 5S with 9 million in the opening weekend for the iPhone. Well, that's it. Thank you.